Hello everyone, I thought I'd go ahead and upload another video for you guys. It's been a while. I've really been focusing on working on my career and stuff. I've been working really long hours, so it hasn't really been too convenient or possible for me to upload too much. It's also probably wouldn't be very interesting videos considering I've just been stuck in the kitchen doing these long hours working on this new position I've put myself in. Anyway, I'm in Granada, Spain at the minute. I thought it would be the perfect time to do a video. The sun's shining and I've just been for a nice walk, so my brain's in the right place. It's been a great opportunity for me to practice my Spanish skills. It's been about 3 months since I've been learning now, and I'm becoming a bit more conversational in it, and I'm sure by the time this trip's over, it's going to be a whole lot better. Yeah, it's been a great time so far, other than the time I got from the wrong stop, which was a 10-hour walk away from Granada. That's a story for another day, but yeah, that was a tough one yesterday. I had to walk up a mountain in the burning sun without any water, which was a bit of an experience. So I ended up in a cave at some point, but we'll discuss that another time. Anyway, that was a bit weird, I know, but let's talk about this video, and it's going to be taking up opportunities that are put towards you. We're also going to talk about making your own decisions. You know, you should let other people put their input in, give you advice, but at the end of the day, it's your decision. And like the minute I sort of started to realise that and learn to make decisions, it should be a very systematic process making decisions. When I sort of mastered that, my life has started to improve a lot more, so I'm going to discuss that. But first of all, we're going to talk about taking up opportunities put in front of you. You know, I've gone a lot of different paths from my life. I've wanted to do so many different things. I wanted to do construction, properties, sales, but it seems that hospitality is the one I've really stuck with. And to be honest, I never took it too seriously. I didn't really want to do it long term at all, but it seems now that's the way I'm going, because although there's not a lot of money in general hospitality, the local restaurants you see, walk into the shops and stuff, in your local high streets, there's a lot of money to be made at the top of hospitality, and I think you'll find that in a lot of different workplaces and industries. So I think you need to let go sometimes of the things that aren't really working for you. Sales never really worked for me, and you know, there's always room for improvement, but I put a whole lot into those opportunities when I weren't really in the right environment. So my suggestion to you is, you've probably got that opportunity in your mind right now. You know, maybe it's a 9-to-5 job, maybe it's a remote position, whatever it is. Maybe you've got a chance right now to shine, learn something new, and that's not a bad thing. It doesn't mean you're in the rat race or anything. So it's going to take hard work, don't get me wrong, but in my opinion, any industry, any opportunity that's put in front of you, if you put your all into that, you can make a life for yourself, and a bloody good one as well. Maybe not just from that, maybe this opportunity leads to a different one. But if you prove yourself to people, if you put your all into it, it's going to get you somewhere. You need a plan at the end of the day though. You can't just live, you know, in a dinghy in the middle of the ocean. You might end up in Holland, you might end up in England, who knows. But you need a plan for one, but don't be afraid to take up opportunities. So that's my advice. Take of that as you will. Let's talk about making decisions now, because this is something I really struggled with. I remember being in Thailand, and I was in Koh Samui at the time, just for about 2 days, just sat in my bedroom, a little bit depressed if I'm being honest, because I had this sales opportunity come across my table. Not much really came of it in the end, but I learned a lot, which is the most important thing, and it was an experience. But you know, I'd just been offered this opportunity. These guys came out to meet me in Koh Samui, and I had fuck all money, to be quite honest with you. And I was just journaling what should I do? Should I take up this offer, probably live a bit frugally for the next couple of months until it worked out? Or should I go back to the UK, you know, be with my family? Just had a little sister on the way as well. Didn't even get to meet her till I was back in the UK. I decided to take the risk basically, and as much as people were telling me, oh, don't do it, don't do it, at the same time I had a lot of people in my network telling me to do it, take the risk. I decided to make my own logical decision, and I stayed out there and learnt the skill of sales. I had great mentors there with me every step of the way. I built my network massively. I still speak to these people today, by the way, and here I am now. I'm not doing sales, but I learnt some amazing business skills. I made a lot of mistakes, and I got to travel to Thailand for a little bit longer, so that was it. But there's got to be a systematic process making decisions, because you can't let other people make decisions for you. They can put their input in, but you know yourself better than anyone. You know your work ethic, you know how much you can put on yourself, you know what you're passionate about. So my advice, step one, get your journal out, write down the pros of doing this and the negatives of doing this. Just write your heart out basically about, should you do this, should you not make this decision. Then I'd go ahead and discuss with your peers and stuff. Now, a lot of the time they're going to talk you around, but never go against what your own brain is telling you, that gut feeling. Just keep writing. There's no limit to how much you can write down. So that's it really. The minute I started doing that, I started writing in my journal, is the minute I really started to improve my life a lot more. And that's it. And so many young guys just go with what their parents tell them, what their friends tell them, put all these limiting beliefs on you. If you are going to listen to anyone, listen to people that are where you want to be in life, and I'm sure you'll get somewhere. All it takes is hard work, boys, and the right opportunity. I'll catch you boys later.